What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, part one of the transformation of the Petty Roosevelt is going down. One of the things that got damaged in my accident, and it's been repaired a few times by different body shops, is the diffuser, which is a thing that sits on the bottom half of your bumper on the car. So we're going to actually take mine off now because my new one just came. And we're going to install the new one, even though I know we're getting a whole new bumper cover and it's going to get repainted. I just want to drop it on now just to see what it looks like, because I think it's going to look nasty, like just beautiful. But before we do that, we have to roll that beautiful bean footage and roll that intro. Alright guys, first things first, we got some nuts, pause, that we have to drop. I'm sorry, not nuts, bolts. Oh, I know some of y'all ain't had y'all's nuts dropped though, so whatever. Alright, we down here, and what I'm going to do is take off all of these little bolts that hold this on, and this will also give us a good look at the damage behind the bumper without taking the bumper cover off. So, and this, I didn't have my tools, so I was lucky enough to have an 8mm in a basically screwdriver type of situation that allows me to get this in. Damn, these little tabs, man. I hate these. I really do. But you have to take them off, because if you don't, alright, we got the first one. Bing. And if I got to do that on each one of these, that's going to suck. Because some of these are like really recessed in, man. Shit. Alright. Hopefully some of these just screw in the plastic and they're not going into tabs like that, because that would be a massive pain in the ass. And it looks like I'm right. I didn't get one on that one. There's a rock or something in here. What the hell? Yeah. Alright, let's get this off here. Boom. Alright, we got another one down. She's coming apart. Now this plastic thing, if you remember, if you've been following the history of this car, this big plastic underguard thing and all the plastics under my car got replaced when we did this. Wow. Looking at my weld jobs here for my exhaust. Interesting. I want to upgrade my exhaust, but it looks like I'm... I forgot that stupid sensor's down here. Oh, shit. Ugh. Pay no attention to my trunk full of supplies. Alright, let's move to the other side. Come on. But the undercarriage of my car, for real, looking at it, she's very clean. I am very, very happy with the Petty Roosevelt. And the plastics and stuff. Usually that's all the stuff that falls apart and becomes an issue, but even with the mileage I have on my car, she's holding up pretty damn good. Tires look good. Alright. Get out. Alright, we're done there. Now it comes to snapping the tabs all around here, and that's going to be the pain in the ass, I think. God damn it. Keep opening the fucking trunk. Oh, shit. So we got the new bumper over here, or the new diffuser over here. But now we're going to have to get into this and pop all these tabs, which we'll do here in just a second. This gives you a pretty good idea of the damage. You can see the plastic. Damn, I just spit all over my camera. You can see the plastic and the cracking and stuff right here from where it got hit. I mean, it's been repaired before. You know, that's pretty much why it is the way it is. This thing should come out fairly easy, like so. Now, you should use a plastic removal tool, not like what I'm doing, but being that this thing has been obliterated, and I don't really care about this bumper cover because they're going to have to replace it anyway, the amount of F's given is 0. And that's, yay, we'll keep that for an extra. Alrighty. So we'll be able to get in here, and then I can take a look at my crash bar and stuff back here and see how bad the damage is as well. So what I'm going to do now, as you guys see this, is I'm going to peel all this off and go from there. Alrighty. Oh, let's get the rest of this thing off. Do do do. Do do do. Do do do. Do. Come on. You know you want to let it out. Just let it go. Like that Disney shit. Let it go. Let it go. Can't take this shit anymore. Come on. You know you want to let it go. You're hating life right now. Let it go. Let it go. There we go, you little bitch. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right. Old bumper cover off. Or diffuser off. It's funny to see how they plastic welded shit. Let me show you guys that. So this is where they repaired it before. You see how it's like all melted and crap? This is where they did the repair last time. Screw that. Here's what the Petty Roosevelt looks like behind. And I can get a good look at the crash bar from down here, which is, I'm going to take a look at that now so I can see how extensive my damage is. So just as I feared, the crash bar is bent to shit. I don't know. I'm trying my best here to hide the sun and see if I can get a good angle in there where you guys can see that. Where's the lens? Right there. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. And she's bent to shit right there. So my metal crash bar definitely has to be replaced. Yay. The other issue I was worried about was the damage to the trunk pan. And outside of that one ripple, I don't see much. So as you guys saw, I got to do a couple other things. I got to tighten up these exhausts. They got a little bit of damage from the accident. Just paint. But you can also see here, see all of this plastic repair they did from the accident where I got hit from behind. And you guys can see here, that's kind of shoddy shit, if you ask me. You can see the paint all cracking and stuff right here already. And that was, I don't even remember the name of the shop, but it was in North Vegas. I can't recommend anybody going there. If I can remember the name of the shop, you guys might know. Let me know in the comments. I highly recommend not going there. Because look at this. This is horrible work, man. Anyways, let's put the new diffuser on for now. So this piece right here is going to have to be replaced. Okay? The body shop is going to replace this whole bumper cover. And where you're seeing this like this is because, maybe I can give you a better shot from here, right? My metal crash bar, which sits behind here, this is not supposed to go in like this, okay? It's not supposed to go that far. There's a metal crash bar that's supposed to be right here, right up against that plastic, and it's bent in like I was showing you in the video. So more than likely, they'll be able to replace this bumper cover, that crash bar, paint this, and I'll have the new diffuser right here, and that should fix the Petty Roosevelt. The little ripple in my trunk pan, I don't know. If they can put it on the frame machine and pull it out, fine. If not, I don't really give a shit. It's not affecting the alignment or the structural integrity of the car. So let's go ahead and pull out the new diffuser and put it on. All right, guys, so here's what the new diffuser is going to look like. Kind of clean, huh? Let me snap it all up and we'll come back. Alright guys, so I got the diffuser for the most part installed. Biggest issue, I fixed this issue where she wouldn't snap it on the sides. That was a pain in the ass. I had to disassemble everything. But this one piece is just literally because the bumper cover is broken. And it's just not going to hold that. It's just going to have that little piece popped a little bit. The rest of it is cool. Another thing I noticed is all of these points down here don't actually line up with where the original diffuser screwed in, which was down here. So what I'm hoping is she's going to be secure enough that she's not flopping around, but I think it's going to be fine. And worst case is I will, when I get up with full bolt-on garage in Florida, we may tap some screws into the existing plastic down here, and I'm going to save these, being they don't fit, and we're going to put the last screw and whatnot right here, and then she should be all buttoned up. Wipe her down, and then I'll give you guys the first look of her ass, because it's done. Alright, so we'll screw this last piece in. Basically just make sure that's flush, put that through the hole. Fellas, you should know how to put, never mind. Oh, I can already see where this is glossy, how it's going to drive me nuts and get scratches and stuff. I'm going to have to wrap it or do something, because with a matte color, that diffuser being glossy looks really clean. I like it, but it's going to be a pain in my ass. I can tell you now. All right. That's all screwing in. And I'm going to have to get the bigger pipes exhaust on this, you know, tips out. And you can see, I don't know if you can see from where she's welded, but they Y-piped it back there. And then they kind of put smaller pipes from here to there, but they did a smaller pipe over here so it would fit. I'm going to see if we can get a bigger pipe and bigger tips, installed on this bad girl as soon as, you know, we get the stuff done. But everything else looks like it's in pretty good, except that one spot, which is the other diffuser was doing the same. And yeah, I think I can give you guys a look. Alright guys, this is what she looks like from this angle. You can see the diffuser and whatnot, and you can see where she is kind of popped out right there. There's not much we could do about that until the new bumper cover is installed. But there she is, all done, looking all crispy and beautiful. It's kind of popped right here too, huh? Yeah, that bumper cover's kind of effed. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is part one of the Petty Roosevelt's transformation. That's just one piece. Oh, a little dirty, huh? That's just one piece of what needs to be done. And now we got to do the entire nose. The entire front of my car is going to change. We'll do that with full bolt-on garage in Florida. The body shop will be taking that diffuser off when it's time to go to the shop, so they'll do that, and then they will basically replace the bumper cover, the sensors, and the crash bar in the back that's bent up. Once that's done and painted, I'm thinking in the next 2 to 3 weeks, maybe less, then we have to take the car, like I said, to full bolt-on garage in Florida. We'll do the whole front. I have a brand new gauge cluster for the car. Like, when I tell you that the Petty Roosevelt is going through a full transformation, it is. I'm just hoping I can have her somewhat ready to go for the YouTuber call out at the beginning of April. We're going to have to see. My plan right now is I want to go, and it really is just going to depend on if I can get it done in time. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.